After going through Agenda 21 and Rio de Janeiro Summit, if you have some problem, you can ask your doubts. Moving further, let's go for resource planning. As India is a diverse country with various resources in different areas, we know that we are living in a country which is full of resources. The regions which are rich in the one type of resources may be deficient in some other resources. That means that every area does not have plenty of resources or same resources. And there are some regions which have acute shortage of some important resources. According to this statement, it says that the resources are not divided equally in every area. For example, some states like Chhattisgarh and MP are rich in minerals and coal deposits. Arunachal Pradesh has lots of water. Rajasthan and Gujarat have enormous wind and solar energy. So, different states have different types of resources. Ladakh has cultural heritage but lack of water and infrastructure. You know, Ladakh, there is no good infrastructure because we know the reason. Due to this imbalance, a balanced resource planning is required. I hope someone can go and make good roads in Ladakh in our class, isn't it? Moving towards resource planning. Resource planning can be done. First point. Again, this is important. These 3 points are given in your book. I have bifurcated these points, but you need to cram these points to get, if the question comes, how the resource planning can be done in India. First point is identification and inventory of resources across the regions. Means first, the geologists, we cannot do that. Government has to appoint geologists which identify and see how much resources are where in which region. And it is done by a surveying, mapping, quality and quantity estimation and measurement of resources. This is the way the geologist will be identifying and seeing what are the inventory of resources in which region. Second is evolving a planning structure with appropriate technological skill and institutional setup for implementing resource development plans. Any private person cannot set up these kind of setups to do the planning structure. Again, this is the work of the government, which they will do make a planning structure with appropriate technologies. Better technologies should be utilized. Better institutions should be set up to do the resource planning, that how they have to utilize the given resources in the nature. And third is matching the resource development plans and with overall national development plans. These are the 3 points which states that how the resource plan